welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a 20-year-old female student is dead. Her 17-year-old classmate hospitalized, and another 17-year-old from the same class now in police custody after yet another fatal school stabbing.
This latest incident happened at the Catholic College of Mandeville in Williamsfield, Manchester on Monday.
Krista Campbell has our report.
When somebody sends their child to school to get an education and has to be told that your child is dead, sitting in a morgue on ice, this is something that I wish on no parent at all.
And yet, a day after celebrating Mother's Day, that's the tragic reality for Marianne. She had very little details about the incident that led her to hospital to identify her 20-year-old daughter, Akeelia White's body on Monday afternoon, except that
she was in class and the boy just attacked, so I don't know what happened further from there.
Akeelia White was a student at the Catholic College of Mandeville in Williamsfield, Manchester. Her mother says she was in the 6th form hospitality program. She remembers seeing her daughter Monday morning as she got ready for school, and her last conversation on the phone with her about 11 a.m. when Akeelia called to check up on her mom. Marianne describes her daughter as
this person, intelligent and outspoken.
But about an hour after that last phone call between mother and daughter, the unthinkable. According to police, shortly before midday on Monday, Akeelia and other students were inside their classroom when an argument developed over a missing phone and money. Head of the Manchester Police, Deputy Superintendent Kerry Duncan, told our news centre the 17-year-old boy now in custody became angry and ran to the nearby tuck shop. He later returned with a knife and stabbed Akeelia in the chest. Another 17-year-old male student was also reportedly stabbed when he tried to help Akeelia. TVJnews was informed that the accused ran from the school after the incident, but residents chased, held, and handed him over to the police. Now, as detectives question him about the incident, renewed concerns about what's being done about other similar incidents at schools across the island.
Let me just state that since COVID, I'm not blaming it on COVID, since COVID, teachers have been saying to us that the students are more aggressive, they're more violent, and I'm calling on all the powers that be, the government, the Minister of Education, all the powers that be, to do whatever it is within their powers to assess what is happening. There's something drastically wrong with our students, and I'm asking that whatever it is that must be done, whether psychological help, mental health. This is a strain on our teachers with the mental health. This is a strain on the students itself, which are going through tremendous stresses, whatever it is. Parents must play a role. We as a politician and the stakeholders must play a role, and the administrator of the school system.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.